Hi guys, Steve Farms here, or Steve. I guess I can just start saying Steve. Makes it easier. My last name's not Farms. It's just I like to farm. We have a family farm. Noticed that from earlier videos. This video, I'm going to go over the 841 Ford PowerMaster. We purchased this last spring. $270 or $275. I don't remember exactly what it was. Sorry for the shaky camera too. I'm holding my phone. My girlfriend does have a tripod to hold my phone, so I'll be using that in further restoration videos. But this video is to just go over the 841. It says 801 PowerMaster on the hood. It is an 800 series Ford tractor. So like I said, we paid $275 for it, and not a lot of interest in it, because if you can tell, something fell on it, or at one time it was rolled. We can tell there was a loader on it at one time, so it might have tipped over, and unfortunately somebody might have got really hurt on this tractor. But it is missing some things. It's missing the starter. What really piqued our interest in this tractor is it was covered in moss, but when we took the caps and checked all the oil, it looks excellent on the inside. It does appear to be stuck, but the main problem is it doesn't steer. So getting it back here in the corner was quite a chore with no skid loader or anything. We just had jacks and blocks and just kept pushing it over. But it does have fluid in the rear tires, and the rear tires are excellent on this tractor as well. There is one little dent in one of the rims, and it might be right there, but that could be hammered out. This does have the Sherman over and under, so this is a 12-speed tractor. It is missing the 3-point and one arm right here. I don't know if you can tell. But that's stuff we can acquire. I'll have to get new fenders for it. But the main thing is I'm going to take the skirting off of it and get down to the engine and see what we can do on breaking it loose. What's throwing me off on this tractor is the gold paint. There's some pieces here with the gold paint, which is like the Golden Jubilee. Or demonstrator tractors is what I mean, but the rim is that color. There's some other parts on here, but it's not a demonstrator tractor. So I'm kind of puzzled by that, but I'm puzzled by that. But basically, I got to pull all this stuff off. See if I hope the steering's not damaged here in the column. I hope these are just seized up right there, and I can get it broke free. I got numerous tires I can throw on the front and replace the ones that are on there. I'll do a full restoration on this tractor. Another thing I found interesting was the logo there. Heavy duty front end. I'll have to do some more reading on that and see what kind of option that was back then. I want to say 58 is the year on this tractor, but I could be wrong. There's the serial number. 841 model 112907 is the serial number. But this will be a full restoration, and we want to find the rear weights for it. I believe it's a model 721 loader, and then this will be our skid loader around the shop to move some of the other tractors. Like I said in the other video, I'll be bringing a lot of them in here to work on, and I'm glad I got this shop. The man here before had pulling tractors in here, and we were tired of working on dirt floors, and it's a nice little community around here, and I was fortunate enough to acquire the shop. Heat. I hope to be putting a wood stove in here if I can. I got a buzzsaw for the 8N, and I'm young enough to go cut wood in the winter. So this is just a little video, like I said, over this tractor, give you some details on it and really show what it looks like before we start tearing into it and before it does get a full restoration. So stay tuned for more. If you have any questions, just ask. I plan on going out to the farm here soon and getting more videos of what's going to come into the shop, but you will see plenty of videos on this one. That one's pretty much done, so I hope to take it back out to the farm and get some use out of it, but you'll get plenty of videos on this one for now, and it looks like the G will be here for a while also, but I'll do a series over both of these tractors plus the 10 we have to come into the shop. So stay tuned for more.